Hello, welcome to my week 8 presentation. This presentation will focus on remission and leukemia and a simple explanation for patients and families. What predicts remission in leukemia? Remission means the leukemia is no longer active. It is the first big goal of treatment, and it brings hope to family and patients overall. Understanding what factors make remission more likely helps doctors give the best care and help families know what to expect. Remission test performed. The test will focus on 5 key tests that will overall give the doctors a baseline analysis of where their patients stand in terms of remission. In this study, 27 people were studied with leukemia, 18 did not reach remission, 9 achieved remission. This is 33%. What doctors measured? LI, how active the leukemia cells were. Next, cell clarity, how full the marrow was in terms of the bone marrow. Smear, the percent of blast cells seen under the microscope. Next, infiltrates, INFIL, how much of the marrow was filled with leukemia. Bone blast, immature cells found in the blood. These are immature leukemia cells that are found in the blood. Why these tests matters. Each test offers a clue to the team and staff about how the disease behaves inside the body of an individual and helps determine the next steps in care. Communicate research to the public. What did we learn? Strongest predictor. The labeling LI was the clearest clue to remission. Patients with higher LI values were nearly 18 more likely to reach remission. Other measures, cell, smear, and all the tests performed did not all predict remission. Blast showed some possible connection, but it was not significant. Accuracy of the model. The final analysis correctly predicted remission almost 9 out of 10 times. 88%. For families, the LI gives the most trustworthy signal of treatment success. So we can't depend on the individual tests, but using all the tests in the final analysis was the most trustworthy result. What this means for families, what doctors can do. Use the labeling index to better predict treatment outcomes, personalize care for each patient, give families clear updates about what to expect when communicating to families, keep it real. Key message, every test result tells part of the story, but cell activity tells the most, LI. When leukemia cells are more active, remission is more likely. Why it matters? This knowledge helps doctors plan, families prepare, and brings more hope for the future. Thank you for listening to my presentation. This is week 8. And thank you, Dr. M, for my references for my internship.